The traditional cell tower is dead. You just haven't seen the tombstone yet. On March 3, 2026, at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Samsung and Vodafone didn't just announce a partnership, they announced the end of hardware-dependent telecommunications. They successfully completed Europe's first call over an AI-native Open RAN network, and the implications for your battery life, your data speeds, and the very architecture of the internet are staggering. We're moving away from the era of dumb pipes and into the era of the cognitive network. If you think 5G was a big jump, wait until you see what happens when the network itself starts thinking. The Wismar breakthrough, a city run by algorithms. While most of the world is still struggling with spotty 5G coverage, the German city of Wismar is about to become a living laboratory. Later this year, Wismar will be the first city in the world to be fully equipped with this Samsung-powered Open RAN technology. What makes this revolutionary? In a traditional network, if you want to upgrade from 4G to 5G or add a new AI feature, you often have to climb a tower and swap out physical boxes from a single vendor like Nokia or Ericsson. It's slow, expensive, and rigid. Samsung's new approach, validated with the Intel Xeon 6 SoC, is entirely software-driven. They've managed to consolidate 2G, 4G, and 5G workloads onto a single high-performance server. This isn't just a neat trick for engineers. By running everything on a virtualized RAN or vRAN, Vodafone can now treat their entire mobile network like a massive distributed cloud computer. The cognitive brain, one-click deployment. The secret sauce here is something Samsung calls the Cognitive Network Operations Suite, also known as NOS. This is the AI brain that sits on top of the physical network. In 2026, network traffic is no longer predictable. With the explosion of agentic AI devices, AI wearables, and autonomous drones, uplink demand is projected to triple every few years. A human engineer can't keep up with that. Samsung's Cognitive NOS uses AI-driven automation for one-click deployment. Instead of months of manual configuration, new cell sites can be provisioned and updated in minutes. Energy orchestration. The AI analyzes traffic patterns in real time. If it's 3 a.m. in a residential neighborhood and data usage drops, the AI doesn't just dim the signal. It intelligently switches off specific cell components and wakes them up milliseconds before the first morning commuter checks their email. MIMO beamforming. Using NVIDIA accelerated computing, the network can now use AI to shape radio beams around physical obstacles, boosting download speeds by up to 30% without adding a single new antenna. Why this matters for the 6G race? Samsung's Vice President of Networks, Everth Flores, made it very clear in Barcelona. This isn't just about 5G advanced. This is the foundation for 6G. We are moving towards a world of device network collaborative compute. Imagine your future AR glasses. Instead of having a massive, hot processor on your face, the glasses offload the heavy AI processing to the edge, the literal cell tower you're standing next to. Because the Samsung Vodafone network is AI native and running on high-performance Intel and NVIDIA chips, it has the unused computing capacity to host those AI applications directly on the tower. This is the great convergence. The cell tower is becoming a data center, and the data center is becoming a cell tower. By 2027, Samsung expects these networks to be fully autonomous, meaning the network will heal its own bugs and optimize its own coverage without a human ever touching a keyboard. The economic earthquake. For the big telecom giants, this is a survival move. Traditional hardware-based solutions are becoming too expensive to maintain as data traffic grows. By shifting to an open ecosystem where they can mix and match servers from Dell, chips from Intel, and software from Samsung, Vodafone is slashing their operational costs, or OPEX, by an estimated 30 to 40%. But there's a catch. This shift is putting massive pressure on legacy closed vendors. If the Samsung, Vodafone, Intel, Dell alliance proves that general-purpose servers can outperform specialized military-grade hardware, the billion-dollar proprietary equipment market will evaporate almost overnight. How will your life change in 2026? You won't see a Samsung network logo on your phone, but you will feel it. Zero latency reality. If you're using real-time AI translation or cloud gaming, the lag will effectively disappear because the processing is happening at the cell site, not a server 500 miles away. Extended battery life. AI native networks are more polite. They use advanced signaling to tell your phone exactly when to listen and when to sleep, which can extend your device's battery life by up to 15%. Hyper reliability. In a self-healing network, if one server fails, the AI automatically reroutes the traffic to neighboring nodes with zero downtime. We are witnessing the birth of the intelligent fabric. It's no longer just about bars on your phone. It's about a global thinking infrastructure that anticipates your needs before you even unlock your screen. Samsung and Vodafone just fired the starting pistol for the 6G era, and the rest of the world is now playing catch-up. What do you think? Are you ready for a network that knows you? Or does the idea of an autonomous AI-run internet feel a bit too much like Skynet? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.